Eayon on the beat.
So Eayon, one of my favorite companies to work with. They always have some good hair. I've never had a bad experience with this company. So they sent me a blonde wig and I am excited because I want to be blonde. Okay, so, oh, here goes the thing right here. It says a 13x4 average size lace front wig. I'm sorry, 24-inch 613 straight. And we're going to keep it straight, but we're going to tone it with some purple shampoo. So they didn't send any treats in the box. That's okay, because I only want the wig anyway. So I'm gonna open this bag and we're gonna look at the actual wig. This is definitely a lace front wig because it's not a full frontal. If it was a full frontal, it would not taper off on the side, as you see right here. So you do have some parting space on the side, but not your typical. And like I said in one of my other videos, I think they're doing this because of the pandemic and to cut costs. I really don't care for my frontals to be this short on the side. I would rather have a full frontal on my wigs because it gives me a little bit more versatility. But if this is what all the hair companies are doing, because all of the hair companies are doing this, then like we have no choice. Or shoot, we learn how to make our own. All right, so it comes with 4 combs and adjustable straps down here. All right, now these are the knots. This is a 613 wig. So yeah, I am just going to tone this out basically, and then we're just going to customize her and put some curls in her because I want to be a little white blondish today. And so that's what we're going to do. The hair is nice and soft. I think the bag said it don't have the density on the bag. So for me, I would say this is about 150. If it was 180, I would be even happier, but you know, it is what it is, but it's nice and soft, so let's tone it. We're gonna tone our wig with one product and one product only, and it is the purple shampoo from Eayon. This is my favorite thing to tone wigs with. As you see, I am filling the bowl up with hot tap water, and I'm going to start applying some purple shampoo in there, and I'm gonna build up the intensity, and I keep doing it until I reach the color that I am desperately looking for. So. So you guys, I will dip my wig in and out this water until I see a change. Now, I change my water about 2 to 3 times during this process. My wig is still kind of warm. I didn't want it to be too cool because my friend that you seen in the beginning of this video, she's never had blonde hair before. So I wanted to give her some warmth instead of going so cool. So I left some of the yellowness in it for her. So yeah, so basically I just let the wig do its thing in the cool blonde shampoo, and it's going to do everything that you need it to do. While my wig is toning in the water, I want to explain to you guys why I would rather use cool blonde over vanilla no yellow. So vanilla no yellow is a very opaque violet shampoo. It is dark. And the actual cool blonde is a lighter blue, so it's more controlled, okay? This will turn your hair gray super fast, and that is not what I want. I want a cool blonde, so I will prefer to use this over this when it comes to toning 613 hair. So this is about the 2nd or 3rd time. I'm going to pull it out, and as you can see, there's a drastic color change. It is icy looking, but it still has its warmth, okay? So at this point, I'm just going to wring all the excessive soap out, pour the water out, and rinse the wig out with cool water to get all the rest of the purple shampoo out of the hair. And after I do that, I go into doing the hairline, styling it, and doing the baby hairs and styling the wig. And this is what I got after I did all of that. I just put in some loose waves in it. It's kind of giving me like the Farrah Fawcett feel. But yeah, so this is what she looks like, and I think she's very cute. So let's go to the install. So this is my friend Granny. We call her Granny, but her name is Izzy. And yeah, this is the first time she's trying blonde hair, and I was happy to do her hair. So I'm going to take some alcohol and I'm going to clean her hairline. She has makeup on, so I want to make sure that the makeup is off her hairline so we can make sure that her wig is secured down. Look at her. She is excited. And you can see what I mean by the color. If I let the wig sit in the color a little bit, the shampoo a little bit more, it would have been even more cooler or even more on the whiter side. But it does have a little bit of a yellow tinge, and that's the warmth. And so I decided to leave some of the warmth in there because, again, she's new to blonde or white blondish hair, and I didn't want to scare her for her first go around, even though I tell her all the time, if it looks good on me, it's gonna look good on you, because we have the same skin tone, and she just looks bomb in everything. So I am gonna do 3 layers of glue. I'm not gonna show you guys me doing that on camera. I'm gonna just do 1 layer on camera, and then I do go in with my liquid gold, and I put that at the end of her, behind the actual glue, and that just helps the wig not slide back. So that's what I'm gonna do right here. So now the wig is placed on the glue, all right, I am going to take makeup. I am using Ruby Kisses in the shade 16, and I'm going to use a detailer's brush, makeup brush, and I'm going to go in and put some makeup on her hairline. Now you want to be careful with this because we're a darker skin tone. If you get the makeup on the hair, you're gonna see it because this hair is white, okay? So you want to definitely be careful with this. You can put makeup underneath the actual lace, but because I feel like the oils in the makeup, it helps lift up the wig even faster, so I don't particularly like to do that. So I usually do it above on top, and I don't use a lot of makeup. I'm very light-handed when it comes to it, and I'll just be gentle when I'm doing that, all right? So after I apply the makeup, I'm gonna pin the baby hairs back and cut off the excessive lace and lay her baby hairs down.
On the beat.
After her baby hair is laid down and her hair is pinned back up, I'm going to take my Kiss hairspray, and I'm going to spray her hairline and tie it down with an elastic strand and let that thing melt. And while I'm doing that, I'm going to just, you make sure her curls are popping and everything like that. Now, when it comes to your baby hairs and you have makeup on your face, it's inevitable to not have your baby hairs messy with makeup. But this is how her hair turned out. It came out really cute. I hope you guys enjoyed this and learned something from this. If you are interested in getting this color, I will leave everything that I used down below, including the hair, in the description box for you. And until next time, bye best friends.